everybody, it's Erin Reed, and today we're going to talk about the crafty haul, all the fun goodies I got from helping out in the Makers Movement / Crafter's Edge, which is also the parent company is PMA, at Creativation 2020. I was able to bring a few fun things home so we could create together. So let's jump in and see what this is all about. All right, the first two products I got, or these are actually super cute. These are two dies that are from Crafter's Edge, and the difference between the Crafter's Edge and the other ones is these are what's called deep edge dies. So let me open it up and I'll show you what I mean. All right, so a deep edge die just means that this little lip that's right in here is a little bit thicker, it's a little bit longer. There's more of an edge to it than a normal die that would cut paper, because these are meant to cut fabrics. You can still cut paper with them, no problem. So these ones, this is the wool succulent, so cute. You actually get 4 different size dies, and then when you nest them together, they make the cutest little succulents. So it actually talks about some things that you need to do and how you can create the project and the best way to kind of go through and create it and create these little, so it's really fun. So there is a way to do it, to make a plant, and we're gonna be making a version of this, or a few cute versions of this coming up. This next one is to make this posy basket. So I don't have the flowers, but I have the cutie little basket. But you know what? We could totally take these little succulents and turn these into flowers. That would be really simple and easy to place those on there. So it's actually a woven basket. So when you die cut this piece out, you've got ridges, and then you cut these out and you actually weave them in and you create a really sweet basket. So obviously these are, again, the deep cut edge, and you get your little tag, you get your hearts, you get the parts to make like the pieces of the basket. So it's all the different pieces, and it says on here the shapes, and it tells you like basket banding number 1, basket banding number 2, main basket, there's 2 handles, that kind of stuff. And then it shows you how to go through and actually make the basket if you wanted to follow the instructions, because both of these came from Tammy Turturro. So both these are from Crafter's Edge, and they're the deep edge dies, and there's a ton more examples and more dies that are from the Crafter's Edge that are made to work with fabric and quilting and all those fun things. This is just a couple that I brought home to play around with some felt, so those projects will be coming very soon. Okay, I have to show you these next because they are the cutest things ever. So this is the newest released from Makers Movement. These are their shaker sprinkles. They are so stinking adorable. So they come in sets of 3, and the 3 are, we get all the pieces that look like their little sugar sweetness. So these 3 come together, and let me show you what these ones are. So these are so stinking cute. Look at them. They're like little candy pieces. They're so adorable, and they look so sweet in the shaker jar. I have posted a little bit on my other social media accounts, and I did a little Vive video while we were walking around the booth. Look at these guys. So cute. So we saw these. This was part of the make and take, and these are actually the leftover bits. This one was the most popular, I have to tell you, because you can see how much are left over. So these are all the little leftover bits left over from the make and takes we did in the booth. I brought them home, and it is now live on the store, so you guys can check these out. This is from the Valentine collection. Look how cute these are. I love this. So this is the Valentine collection. So stinking adorable. And then these ones look like these are like air bubbles. They're super light. So if you're worried about adding heaviness to your cards, these are like styrofoamy kind of things. I don't know, they're so light, like little pillows. There is a staticky problem if you have dry air, and so you have to be careful. Dryer sheets are awesome for that. And then we have these beautiful ones. Look at these. Aren't these gorgeous? They're so stinking pretty. So the other set of 3 are these 3 right here that you get. Again, now that I have all these little fun shaker bits to go on my cards, guess what's coming? Shaker cards. They also have this double-sided crafter foam, and this is the stuff we were using inside the make and takes, and this stuff is awesome. It's already super thick. There's 4 to a pack, and it works awesome with all your shaker bits. So it's super heavy duty, and you can die cut it with the same dies. So it makes it really easy to make your shaker cards, because this stuff die cuts awesome. I brought home 3 cutie shaker die and stamp sets. So this one's in full bloom, and there really is there's a really cutie look. This one's all about love is in, and it shows you how to make the hearts, or you can have fun with this. And it's a really cute card and stamp set, and it has all the dies already made. So it's got the 2 pieces. It's got the outer layer and the inner layer, so you can make the shaker card element inside there. This one right here is called the Mad Chemistry stamp set. Look how adorable that is. And it's got the I love you. We're making some of those. And then this is super adorable. This is the Hello Sunshine. So here you can see how there's the circle inside the sun, and so you can put your shaker bits inside of there, and then you layer it up. So the sunshine's got the background layers. So they really have thought. And this one right here, you can see for this one, they've got the die cut word bloom. So there's really so many fun things. You wouldn't have to do this one if you didn't want to make this Valentine-y. You don't have to. You can make this totally just like for spring. This one, because it's got the I love you, very Valentine-like, but it's kind of a different one. It's one that could go a little bit masculine if you wanted to, which I think is so cute. And it's got the elements in here, the iodine, lutetium, uranium, and vanadium. My son's gonna get a kick out of that. And I don't know, my science-y background just loved this set right here. Shaker dies and shaker cards and shaker elements means that you need to have acetate. So these are the clear acetate sheets. There's 4 sheets in here. They're blue on purpose. Let me pull one out so you can see. So these are the clear acetate sheets. They're very malleable and they do have a protective film. So you just die cut out the piece. You can peel the plastic off. If you want to save it, I mean, you really have to kind of get in there and really peel it off. But it is protected. Oh, this one's got a little edge to it. So I believe it's on both sides. And you can see, I mean, you can really see it super, super clearly because it's on both sides that you have your acetate. I'm having the hardest time getting in here. If you were gonna do this, so here we go. So here you can see, so I'm peeling off. There it is, there's the blue on the one side. And you can still see, so it's really obvious that you haven't pulled all your plastic off or your sheet off because you can see there's still blue on the other side. It's even darker blue when you have it on there. So we were die cutting all of this with our shaker element cards and it really did work wonderfully. And I love the fact that it's got the blue on there so you know that it's still got that protective film. And the last little bits I brought home, I absolutely love my nesting. You can use these for shakers. You can do this for all sun. So I have this swirls right here. These ones already have kind of like a stitched edge to them, but then they're also scalloped on the outside. And I just really was falling in love with the scallops. So I've got squares, I've got scalloped circles, and then I've got scalloped stitched circles. So nested scalloped circle frames, nested scalloped circles, and nested scalloped square frames. So I got some fun new shapes I get to play with on all my fun cards. But I could also still die cut other things with these as well. Thanks so much for joining me for all my amazing goodies from Maker's Movement and Crafter's Edge. You know there's gonna be lots of fun projects coming soon, lots of cool cards, shaker cards coming your way. Please subscribe and hit that bell button for further notifications, and I'll see you guys later. Bye everybody.